Residents in Glenview appreciate the works of the Second Republic in road infrastructure as the government has continued road rehabilitation in suburbs. The roadworks, which were announced earlier by the Minister of Transport and Infrastructure Development, have begun in earnest.
Isifungofara takanakira tikufarisa zvakanaka nokuti isisu dzimba dzedu ndo dziri mudhuze tiri padhuze dhuze imba yedu iri panext apa saka tiri kunzwa kufa nekuti vana vedu chaivo nemapoto wange takanangana nawo vaiti vachikrosa road kuenda kuchikoro iri juraho rechikoro riri panext vakukrosa kuenda taitosvika taitovaperekedza.
Tinokutendai minista vatigadzira road zvaita kuti isusuwo tive nechivimbo chekuti tine mutungamiriri wedu ari kutitungamirira ari kumberi kwedu.
Saka tinoda kuti varambe vakashinga vakabata varatidza kuva neushingi kukunda mamwe ma-MP anongoya achingobata-bata wosiya wobata-bata wosiya. Saka toda kuti varambe vachitigadzirira nzira vaenderere mberi.
Speaking to the media, the Minister of Transport and Infrastructure Development, who was touring the roadworks in company of Harare Metropolitan Minister of State for Provincial Affairs and Devolution, Honorable Charles Tavengwa, and other officials, Honorable Felix Tapiwamona, said the government is carrying out this infrastructural project across the country.
We are so excited as a ministry when we started the project of rehabilitating our roads. Being championed by our great leader, Comrade Dr. Emerson Mnangagwa, we were talking about descending to the locations. And this is what we are witnessing today, where we are in Glenview. And we've been saying to the people, we don't attend to triangles, which was the mandate of the ministry, to only superintend over triangles. But we've witnessed that over 2 decades, roads were neglected when it comes to locations. And His Excellency said we cannot continue watching. We have
he further alluded the fact that while there is an election that is to take place over the weekend, the government is carrying out its works all over the country in line with the President's mantra of leaving no place and no one behind.
And today we are witnessing this magnificent infrastructure rehabilitation program, which is not intended to actually buttress the issues to do with the elections that are before us. But we are saying you will see this kind of work going on. And what we've done, a deliberate plot in the ministry, is to say all the roads that are leading from the great city right into the locations. This is what we're doing. And you'll see that this road, it will navigate towards 12. Then those who know the marketplace where they do their furniture, area 8, and we'll move it to Rothmans, the intersection of Simon Mazorodze and Rothmans. So we are taking this road right up to Simon Mazorodze.
Engineer Ndoro of the contracting company CMED gave the scope of the roadworks.
Right, so CMED Private Limited is working on 4 roads in Glenview. Where we are standing right here, this is 11th Street, which is some 1 kilometer long, and we have done some asphalt concrete resurfacing over 280 meters, which is the scope on this road. We have 3 other roads that we are working on. We have 10th to our right, where we are doing total reconstruction, that's 600 meters, and we are also going to have 20 millimeters of asphalt concrete surfacing there. We have 3.2 kilometers of Glenview Way, where we are doing partial reconstruction over 600 meters and the asphalt concrete overlay over the rest of the stretch. And we also do have 3rd Street, that's some 1.1 kilometers, where we are doing total reconstruction as well, and some asphalt concrete surfacing.
While engaging massive road infrastructure development under the Emerging Road Rehabilitation Project, which has seen a lot of ground being covered on the 90,000 stretch of the road network in Zimbabwe. The Harare Bay Bridge works nearing completion, the Trabablas interchange expected to be complete by end of May this year, and massive road infrastructure development in and around Gokwe. Chiya Zanyabadza reporting for Vaya.com, Glenview, Harare.